Hello, what's up, pal? This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix here. Today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to reset or reprogram the remote Forb for 307. This is 2008 model 307. So, before you do this, you want to confirm that the key actually starts up the car. And I've actually confirmed that, but if I try to unlock it, no sign. Locking, it doesn't unlock, and unlocking, it still doesn't unlock. If it unlocks, it should be able to flash here. If it locks, it should be able to flash there. So no damn thing. And so most time you can actually get into this very problem if you disconnected the battery and leave the car for quite a long time, let's say like 2 months, and you didn't reconnect the battery back. The car is going to lose the key fob memory is going to lose, and it will not be able to work with it, but the remote will still start up the car. So without further ado, let me go ahead and demonstrate the process. The first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and open the car, then pop the hood open, button is somewhere around here. Now I've been tearing this whole place down looking for the fuse, and the fuse box are in good condition. So when you do this, then you can either decide to wind this glass down or wind the other glass down. As you can see right now, the other glass I've actually wind it down just for the purpose of this very video. So then you go ahead and lock the car, then you come over here and grab the battery head and remove it. Then when you remove it, you want to allow it to sit for like 5 minutes or 6 minutes. After 5 minutes or 6 minutes, you want to go ahead and put this battery head back. Right, I suppose it's the driver's side that you actually wind down. Do not open the door, and if it is the passenger side, do not open the door. So since here the driver window have a problem, I'm going to be assessing it through here, which is a simple going over here. So in your own case, since yours is in a good condition, you want to slot the key into the ignition position and put the ignition on. I'll go ahead and put on the full beam light. All right, so since I'm going to be doing it here, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. All right, then you on off the light, then you hold down the lock button. Hold down the lock button for 10 seconds. Then you go ahead and switch off the ignition. I want to go ahead and test it. You can see it flashing right there. Unlocked, and it works. So that's how it is, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.